Yoo-hoo! Thank you. Okay, now I've been discussing with myself and I'm going to Kanto Lampo Waterfall. And I've heard about this, so it's on my list somewhere. Time for Kanto Lampo Waterfall. On a bike. So there it is, and there's no fee for the parking, so that's good. Maybe it's sort of included in the whole, so you don't have to pay several times. And here we are, Kanto Lampo Waterfall. It is raining a little bit, but not too much. So there's sort of like, it feels like it's a celebration going down to Kanto Lampo Waterfall. So it's very, very organized, but it's very beautiful done, and it's like garden-like. And I don't know what I expected to be like alone and be like the first man on the waterfall. Is this the? I wasn't going down to a. Oh yeah, it says waterfall here, so it is correct. But you can also go down like this. Huh. Okay. And we'll see how much this is. So here we enter, and this one was 20,000 rupiah, which is about £1.5 pound, or £1, €1.5. 15 kronor. They have waterfall and they have also wading pool, Hana Cave. So there are like different steps here. The water coming from there, but this is like a wading pool. And over on this side you have the waterfall. So it seems like you can take a lot of photos, as you see here. People take photos of you, so you can't really get up on it. Well, you will destroy it, the photos. So I want to go up there, but I kind of feel like I'm gonna destroy their pictures. But it is a beautiful. It's like a kind of different waterfall, as you see. And there was one guy here who was really good at taking photos, but I don't see him now. If I should ask him if he could take photos of me. They are so friendly here, the guys, and you have paid them donations. Look at him, he's just posing for them what to do, and they look gorgeous. Look at him. The guys, and they are taking photos, and you just give a donation for them. So he took a lot of photos of me on that over there. I'm very pleased. And then I'm talking a little bit with them. And now it's 3 o'clock, and it's almost empty here now. So now you can enjoy the waterfall however you want. I don't know if it's kind of, this is natural. Oh, that's not natural. Oh, semi-natural. And now you can enjoy it by yourself. Or not by yourself. I could have some massage here. Oh, this is fucking. It's so much water in your face and your eyes. I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. There's some people over there, but I can watch the waterfall undisturbed. Nobody is climbing it. It's just like solitude. It's me and the waterfall. Kanto Lampo, Bali, Indonesia. I've been changing here, and it's actually the toilet, but it says that it is a changing place as well. It's raining a little bit, so I have to put that on, and I'm charging my phone a little bit because now it's time to go home. It's about 11 kilometers to get home. I'm gonna put this away and gonna concentrate on getting home in the rain that way. Okay, so the time is around 8, I think. I've been quite chilly, like almost freezing a little bit, and it's 24 degrees outside. So I don't know if I've had like a heat wave, what do you call it, like that, or if I'm gonna be sick. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens. I'm thinking about actually going to this. The restaurant beside is Sami Varong, and go into the mozzarella thing, and gonna have a pizza. So maybe that is good for me, I don't know. I'm feeling a little bit chilly actually, but it's 24 degrees outside. So today it's an Italian feast. Pizza. I think they are selling coconut here on the street. Well, as you can see, I ate it all. And it was a goddamn good pizza. It was crispy and it has a lot of flavor to it. I had like mushroom, onion, mozzarella and tomato sauce. Nothing really special, but I wanted like a plain one. Really, really, really good. It was very close to come up to the scale, but it was like it was like a growl or something like that, but it couldn't get closer than coming up to the M scale than this pizza. So there you have it. Mozzarella is not to die for, but come here because the pizza is really, really good.